morning. These are our star tortoises. They are native to India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. They are herbivores. They like different plants, fruits, and vegetables. They also have a lifespan of 20 to approximately 80 years. They are solitary creatures, and they do most of their moving in the early morning or the late afternoon, early evening time frame. The rest of the time they usually hang out under shrubs because they are native to arid areas, so desert and dry forest areas in the regions. And these guys usually lay about 1 to 10 eggs in each clutch.
All right, so I'm Tom, and I've been a volunteer at the El Paso Zoo for 25 years now. And this is one of my favorites. I don't have a favorite. This is one of my favorite animals. This is Gumbo. He is a desert king snake. These are endemic to the southwest Texas and Chihuahuan desert area. King snakes are special because they are immune to the venom of other snakes. All of our venomous snakes in the Chihuahuan desert are rattlesnakes, so he's immune to the rattlesnake venom. So rattlesnakes are afraid of him because he won't die from their venom, but he's a constrictor, so he will constrict around the rattlesnake, kill it, and then eat the rattlesnake. Gumbo is 16 and a half years old. He can live into his 20s. If you see a snake, like a king snake out in the wild somewhere, all you have to do is walk away from it. Don't run, you don't have to scream, just walk away. They're not going to chase after you. They just want you to leave them alone, and they'll be glad to leave you alone. And he'll eat, all snakes are carnivores, so they'll eat other animals, mostly rodents, but like I said, other snakes, lizards. They can eat the eggs or birds. When he sticks his tongue out, he is smelling the air. He does have nostrils, so he breathes with his nose, or he smells with his tongue. King snakes are constrictors, but pound for pound, they're stronger than other constrictors. So if two different constrictors got in a battle, king snake would beat the other constrictor also.
Hello, my name is Diego Guzman. I am a animal handler here at the El Paso Zoo. So right here we got Drogon. He is a western banded gecko. Now one cool fact about these guys is that they actually use that tail to actually store nutrients and fat, especially towards the colder parts of the world. Now they actually use that to, of course, store nutrients and fat when it gets too cold outside for them. Of course, because there's no insects in the cold. And I love these guys because they're just such interesting creatures. They're cold-blooded, and they have such a beautiful pattern on their body all around, as you can see, almost like a leopard. And that's why they actually call them western bandits, since they have these little bands surrounding their whole body.
Hello, this is Tucker. Tucker is a blue-tongued skink, so a type of lizard that is native to Australia and New Guinea, with an average lifespan of 20 years. They do have the name blue-tongued skink because they do possess a blue tongue that helps ward off predators, because anything of color in animal kingdom means danger. But as you can see, they have a big body, small legs, so they move very slowly and spend most of their time hiding underground looking for food. They do eat a lot of insects, so they help keep the insect population down, and berries as well. But just like any other reptiles, the exotic pet trade does decrease the wild population, so I do not recommend one as a pet.
Hello, my name is David, and this is Zulu. Zulu here is a ball python snake. Ball python snakes can be found in West Africa. You might see them roaming around the open grasslands. And here at the zoo, she is fed 2 mice twice a month. They don't kill their prey with a bite. They squeeze them. They kill them with a hug. And that's a nice way to say it. And these snakes can live up to 30 to 40 years under human care, and they're very important in their environment in West Africa because they keep the rodent population down. Zula here is fully grown. Ball pythons can grow up to 3 to 5 feet, and they can weigh up to 5 to 15 pounds. A lot of people, they have two opinions when they see snakes. They're either think it's really exciting and really cool, or they're scared. And those two thoughts about snakes can be very detrimental to their population, because those that think it's really cool, they might want to have one as a pet. But having a pet, as a snake as a pet, is a lot of responsibility, and there needs to be a lot of research done before thinking of doing that. And also the people that are scared of snakes sometimes harm them without knowing they do. But the best way is just stay away from snakes. Let the snakes be, because they will keep the rodent population down, and they'll keep their environment under control. Thank you.